Welcome to this podcast. The information presented here is for educational and informational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice. Financial markets involve risk, and every investor's situation is different. You should always conduct your own research and make decisions based on your personal financial situation, risk tolerance, and future expectations. In the most recent trading session, the U.S. stock market experienced a broad pullback, with particular pressure on the software sector, software application companies, some semiconductor names, and large-cap stocks. Microsoft declined by 2.87%, while Nvidia, Broadcom, and several other major names also posted notable losses. The selling pressure was widespread, and many stocks ended the day significantly lower. The sharp move in software stocks was largely driven by developments in artificial intelligence. Anthropic, an AI company, introduced a new tool targeting the legal industry that has the potential to replace many existing SaaS legal applications. This raised concerns among investors that large AI players could rapidly disrupt entire segments of the software industry, triggering a broader reassessment of software valuations. From an analytical standpoint, there's a strong case for reducing exposure to smaller software companies. The risk is that at any moment, companies such as Google, OpenAI, or Anthropic could release products capable of disrupting or even dismantling entire software niches. This creates structural uncertainty for many SaaS businesses, particularly those without strong competitive moats. Recent portfolio adjustments reflected this environment. Exposure was reduced in companies such as Fiserv and Progressive, and Roku was also exited after the stock moved within a range between support and resistance. Once it reached resistance and began to decline, the risk-reward profile became less attractive, with a potential re-entry considered around the 60 level. On the accumulation side, Palantir was added due to its strong growth profile and its increasing number of large contracts with the U.S. government. CrowdStrike was also added based on the view that cybersecurity will be essential in an AI-driven world. Artificial intelligence cannot function independently without robust cybersecurity infrastructure. In the same theme, positions were initiated in Zscaler and Fortinet. Webull was sold at a loss, and exposure to Duolingo was reduced, despite the view that the company still has long-term upside potential. TeraWulf was added due to its role in providing power infrastructure for data centers. The company recently reported solid numbers and secured large projects, positioning it to benefit from the continued expansion of AI-related infrastructure. Novo Nordisk was exited following strong reported results, but weaker forward guidance. The guidance implied a decline in performance compared to the current year. This outlook was influenced by a deal with Donald Trump to cut the prices of weight loss products by 70%, which is expected to negatively impact profits in 2026. A potential return to the stock is being considered for 2027. Overall, the strategic shift has been away from certain software companies and toward hardware and industrial hardware linked to artificial intelligence. Software products can often be replaced quickly, while hardware and infrastructure are much harder to substitute and tend to be the primary beneficiaries of long-term AI investment cycles. This includes companies such as Western Digital, Vertiv, Schneider Electric, ABB, and Siemens. This does not imply a complete exit from software. Some software and platform companies remain core holdings, including Microsoft, which benefits directly from its partnership with OpenAI. Other companies being maintained include AppLovin, Pinterest, Shopify, Netflix, and Snowflake. In the healthcare space, Eli Lilly has also benefited from the challenges currently facing Novo Nordisk. If you want to stay up to date with the latest market analysis and stock market developments, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future updates.